Alright, Leash, I thought you might want to see this since you didn't get a chance to experience it firsthand. So this is the front yard. We got somewhere between 15 and 20 inches last night. And this wind is nothing compared to what was last night. 50 to 60 mile an hour winds for about 4 hours. Can you see Tom over there? He's shoveling out his snow. I don't know if you can see him. There he is. Can't really, not very easy to see. Let's go look at the back. So they said maybe 3 to 5 more inches today. And windy. And then tonight, minus 20 to 30 degree wind chills. And who is that?
I see Dad.
Whoa. You see Alex? Where's Alex?
Honey.
Is that honey?
Yes, honey.
Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Wow.
Yum, yum.
Hey, magnet. No.
Oh, sorry. Can you see, but it's still snowing right now. So, I thought you might like to see that.